I'm Kate Hunter, jewellery designer and business owner of High Maintenance Jewellery. I recently joined the Creative Growth Programme after receiving an email, a very encouraging email from Christina, asking if I wanted to be part of it, if I wanted to join and complete the sessions. I must admit I was a little bit nervous at first, not knowing what to expect, but the encouragement I got from Christina was, just go for it. It'll be really, really good for your business. It will be good for you. And upon reading the brochure, I knew, yeah, it was definitely a little gentle push that I needed. I'm so pleased that I did. Never look back from day one. It was really, really great to be in a room full of other creative people. We bounced off each other, instantly became friends, started sharing our experience and our knowledge with each other. I enjoyed every session, especially the guest speakers coming in. I love the one about innovation. That was really good to get us moving, get us thinking more about where we want to take our business or who we work for next. I also loved the session just before our pitch, the day before, which was with In It Creative. The guys were great. I'm not tech savvy at all, so it was slightly daunting at first. They really put you at ease though. They were really supportive, as were all of the team, from the admin to everybody who were involved. Really, you felt that they had your back, that they were looking after you, that they were encouraging you, and they wanted you to do well. They wanted you to feel good, for your business to grow, for your confidence to grow. So taking it forward now with my own business, it has made me see things in a completely different light. I felt very stuck previously, and I just think now that I know where I want to be. So I'm now moving forward with our creative workshops. I'm going to use that pitch. To me, I've recorded the pitch myself as well, solo, and to me that pitch and the feedback I got, it will really, really be such a great impact. It's a really strong element as well, I think, taking my business forward. I would recommend the Creative Growth Programme in a heartbeat to every creative out there, and I'd do it again if I could.